Okay guys, in this video of today we are working with bee, and this is bee farming. So down here, this is my smoker, and this smoker I make it by myself. I make this smoker by myself, and that is how it's working. So in today's video we are going to deal with one of the most difficult type of honeybee, that is the African killer bees. And this hive you are seeing here, this hive is very dangerous and is one of my hive here. So as you can see, this hive like this is very dangerous, one of the dangerous hive. Right now the bee are already attacking, so we just have to make sure we smoke it. I have to make sure we smoke this hive. Yes, we are just trying to smoke this hive because it will be very dangerous here.